How to request money on Venmo. Need to get paid back for something. Venmo makes requesting money a breeze. This video shows you how to do it in under 60 seconds. Open the Venmo app or website and make sure you're on the home screen. You'll see a large button with a plus sign in the center. Remember, this button works for both sending and requesting money. Tap the plus sign button and this time choose request since you're asking for money. Now search for the person who owes you money by either entering their username, choosing them from your recent contacts list, or scanning their QR code with your camera. Add a note to your request. This reminds them what the money is for example, movie tickets last night or rent for July. That's it. You've sent a request for money on Venmo and your friend will receive a notification with the amount on your note. They can easily approve and send the money to you. And there you have it. Sending and requesting money on Venmo is super simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Venmo tips and tricks.